Welcome to another Tap Essentials video. This next step is often called the Shirley Temple. It has many other names though, some of which are Broadway or Alexander. I think it's even been called a roller coaster. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's another name it sometimes goes by. Stay tuned and learn how to do this step. There are 7 components: flap, heel drop, spank, heel drop, toe tap, and heel drop. Let's watch that from the back. Make 8 beats or sounds when you do this step. Practice time, speed it up. Let's do that one more time, even faster. Try the step on the other foot. Let's try watching that from the back again. Make sure that when you flap, it is to the side and that the toe tap is in back. Practice time, speed it up. And one more time, even faster. Let's try both sides together. Practice time, speed it up now. This is the last time. Go even faster. Flap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. I also believe, and this is from blogworld.com, that the Shirley Temple was originally called the Shirley Temple before it got its other names, because Shirley Temple herself used to do that step over and over and over again in so many of her movies that they started calling it the Shirley Temple after her. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that is what it says according to blogworld.com, and it does make sense to me. I remember watching movies when I was growing up with Shirley Temple dancing, and I remember her doing that step, and so I think it's believable that the step was originally coined after her. I think it also is called Manhattan by some people. So apologies for not having another tap routine for you this week. I moved apartments, and so that's just taken up all my time, and I wasn't able to do another tap routine video for you. So I apologize for that. Hopefully I can get that up for you this coming week though, and we'll have another 2 videos out this week. Not 3. 3 videos would be cool. If I could do 3 videos this week, I would love that.